Hola and welcome back to 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘. What's up, party people? How you doing? How your mom and them? I hope you're doing well. I am Kim if you've never been here before, spelled with a Y, 𝐘𝐍𝐉. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button. But say hello in the comments so that I can say hello back. At any rate, I'm about to start cooking. I just got home from my daughter's game. She's a cheerleader. I'm probably all shiny. I was sweating like a racehorse. Let me tell you something. It is October and it's 87 degrees outside in Central Ohio. Where are they doing that at? But I'm not gonna complain. Although fall is my favorite season and I like to enjoy the entire fall season, I guess I'm not gonna get that this year. I'm gonna make my husband some lasagna. It's a surprise. He doesn't know what I'm cooking. He never knows what I'm cooking because I just kind of, go with the flow. But I'm gonna make some lasagna and I'm gonna put some Italian sausage in it. I've never done that before. We're gonna try it, see how it goes. So the meat that I'm gonna use is ground turkey. I'm gonna use Italian sweet sausage. And then I'm gonna put some like onions and peppers and that sort of thing in there. But the lasagna noodles that I'm gonna use, let me show you those.
It ain't working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but
so anytime you can take a shortcut while you're cooking or while you're cleaning for that matter, definitely do that. If you read that, it says they're oven ready, so I don't have to boil these first. So don't come for me when I don't boil the noodle first. Calm down, I know what I'm doing. Let me explain why I say that. Because a few years ago when I made lasagna and I filmed it, I had people coming for me in the comments like, girl, you don't know how to cook. You didn't even boil your noodles. And I thought to myself, you don't know how to read because I showed you the package. When you make lasagna, put anything you want in it. I have a lot of friends who make it with carrots and zucchini. My husband does not particularly care for that, so we're making it how we like it. Carfanga's is a restaurant and a meat market, and they have so many amazing items here in Central Ohio. I have tried this one before. I've never tried this, so I figured I'm just going to mix those together when I make this lasagna because I'm not making homemade sauce. I went to 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. I should have taken you along with me, however I didn't. They didn't have any good looking peppers. This is as good as it gets, so I have this pepper. I already had an onion in this little plastic bag. It's a white onion, not a yellow onion, but the only other onion I have is a red onion, so we're gonna go with that. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Let me know what you're working on, what you're reading, what you're watching. I need to know, okay? It's a two-way conversation here, not just me talking the entire time. I do appreciate each and every one of you for being here. You are an amazing human. You are worthy, you are loved, and you are needed. I want to make sure that resonates in your spirit and that you actually believe that. So be sure that you are looking in the mirror every single day and saying your affirmations. It is very, very important. I got this cleaned off with some vinegar because that's how I do it. As a busy mom, any shortcut that I could possibly take when I'm cooking, I definitely do that. So I have a food processor, well, it's like a chopper, that I'm gonna put my onion and also my pepper in because work smart, not hard.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away with whatever I want.
Always have a trash bag when you are handling food so that you can throw your foods right away.
I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone.
I'm not really sure why this is leaking because it's on tight. I don't know.
Cause these are dream.
Okay, so this made more of a mess than what I would have liked, so I'm just gonna cut the onion up myself. However, that was a great shortcut. I figured out the reason that it was leaking. It was on tight, just like it's supposed to be. However, it is not dishwasher safe, and it was in the dishwasher quite a few times. We got Shaka Khan going on in the background. If you like Shaka Khan, leave me at like 3 purple hearts. Purple's my favorite color and I love me some Shaka Khan. Okay, I got the veggies all ready and prepared, so I'm gonna get them sauteed in my beautiful pan. That just sounds better than regular pan, right?
The things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it.
With my onions, I'm going to saute them up really fast first until they're like translucent, and then I'm going to add my peppers into it. It takes onions a lot longer to cook than it does peppers, but let me tell you something. Oh my gosh, it smells so fragrant in here. When you are cooking, use whatever you want. I have onion powder, garlic powder, Lowry's, and some oregano to season the onions as well as my peppers.
She'll get mushy, but don't mistake this girl for being me. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself.
The same pan that you sauteed your vegetables in, you want to make your meat in as well. Don't clean it out, just go with it, okay? So my sister called me, I was on the phone, but I did put this can of, this isn't a can, it's a jar of sauce. Again, 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 is so good. I'm mixing it with this sauce. I'm making lasagna, but I'm also making spaghetti because my daughters probably will not eat lasagna because there's cheese on it. And one of my daughters despises cheese. So we're gonna pour this in here as well. Oh, it's splishy splashy everywhere. I'm making a mess. A little close up. 2 different types of sauces. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Obviously, I'm gonna doctor them up, but they are really good the way that they are. All right, so let me turn this timer on real quick. So anytime I make noodles, spaghetti noodles, macaroni noodles, potatoes, I put a little bit of this chicken bouillon seasoning in there. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
We never show emotions, we just keep it down inside.
Like I said before, we are layering on the seasoning, so you have to season everything, you know, individually. So now I'm gonna season my sauce with all the same seasonings that I use. One thing that I forgot to mention is I do use Italian seasoning. I had to go to my mom's house to get some because I ran out. But now I have it. I've already put it on my meat. Now I'm gonna put it in my sauce. My oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm not gonna put any more salt or seasoning salt or anything like that on there because that's just too much sodium. We want to give that a really good stir. I almost forgot about my pepper, so I want to make sure I put those in there as well. My pan is nice and clean. I did wash it out. Anytime you buy something, before you use it, definitely wash it. Whether it be clothes, pans, dishes, whatever the case may be, wash it first. Just like I layered on the seasonings, I'm layering on the meat. I want to make sure everything is evenly distributed and is covered completely and just stirred up really, really good. And I also feel like the older I get, the more I like to take things slower anyway, because what is the rush? Like, why do we rush to get older? Why do we rush for this day to come or that day to come? Like, let's just slow down, relax, and take things very easy. It's a better life for me anyway. I have these onions and peppers that I want to put in here as well that I've already sauteed up. We're gonna let all of that marinate for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. If I'm honest, the sauce really didn't need any kind of doctoring up. Even though I did doctor it up, it was perfect the way it was. That sauce is for real the truth. I'm gonna get this kitchen speed clean. I'm gonna get all these dishes together, get my sink cleaned out, and guess who's making a guest appearance in today's video? The guest of honor loves walking past my camera and just like interrupting all the things that I'm doing, but that's okay because I know you ladies love to see him. I'm getting these dishes washed with Method dishwashing liquid, and I will say I really like Mrs. Meyer's better, but Method was on sale, okay? So we going with what's on sale. And a great way to keep your hands looking young is to wear gloves while you're doing the dishes. Thank you so much for being here with me. Today's video is more so about us just kind of hanging out for the day. We just really wanted to just chillax. You know what I'm saying?
Just for a moment, 'cause I don't know any.
When you're making lasagna, think of it like a layering type of situation. You're gonna put your sauce down, your noodles, all your fixings, your cheese, your ricotta. I'm about to just show you, okay? Because I can show you better than I can tell you.
I cry, but they don't care. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way too loud. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean, yet too small to fit the crowd. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. No, I'm not a city girl. No.
Now the exact way that I'm layering this up is how I repeated it several times, but I just didn't film it so that you wouldn't get totally bored, okay? I'm sure most of you know how to make lasagna if you like lasagna, but if not, it's all about layering, as I previously stated. That's a really hard word for me to say too. Now, when I was in my 20s, I used to always make homemade spaghetti sauce, but now I just feel like I do not have time for that because that is a whole process in itself. So we have been on the hunt to find a good sauce, and the sauce that we found is fantastic. I'm gonna place this in the oven. I'm gonna cook it low and slow. I put it on, I think like 300 for about 40 minutes, and it was absolutely perfect when it came out the oven. Lasagna, I call it lagazna. The lagazna was a success. My husband don't want to be on camera, but he said it was the bomb. We're about to take a walk, and I wanted to show you what it's looking like around my neighborhood. They have built so many condos. These are the ones that are right in front of my home, and then here is what they're about to start building here on the side of my home. So this used to be a pond. It was not this big. They expanded it, and now we're going to have a beautiful pond, hopefully. This is a neighborhood right next to mine. Maybe our pond will look like this. What do you think, Karya? You'll know. If you cut through these woods, my house is back there. But I get poison ivy easily, so we will not be doing that. The only thing about building a house and living in a new development is there's no trees. I want a tree-lined street. But these are nice houses. At some point very soon, once it cools down and is no longer 87 degrees outside, we're gonna get in this garage and get everything cleaned out. So we're buying totes like one by one because they're a little expensive. So the first tote that we bought are for these softballs. My husband is going to disperse the ones that are no good, keep the ones that are good, and go from there. I told him all you gotta do is put those on Facebook Marketplace and sell them for $1.50 each, and you gotta come up, okay? Take me to go get some tacos. Thank you again so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Please make sure that you are saying your affirmations and loving on yourself. It is time for your glow up, okay? Also, be sure to show somebody some kindness because it really feels good to them and it's going to feel really good for you as well.
What a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off. if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what.